Hey everybody, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard extensions. So you have probably heard that Google has introduced extensions to Google Bard, which are basically similar to ChatGPT plugins. So they enable you to access the data and features from third-party applications. Now, as you can see, only 5 extensions can be seen here, but most likely Google will introduce new extensions, and maybe third-party developers will also be able to develop and launch extensions in Google Bard. So if you want to use Google Bard extensions, if you open up Google Bard, you can check out the currently available Google Bard extensions by clicking on this extension icon here. And as you can see, here's where you're going to be able to see whether an extension is enabled or not. If it's not, you have to turn it on to be able to interact with that Google Bard extension. As you can see, by default, the Google Workspace extension is not turned on because you have to let Google Bard access your Google Workspace data, so your Gmail account, your Google Drive account, and Google Docs documents as well. And also, as you can see, there are some example prompts here, so you can check out what kind of prompts will trigger or activate the specific extensions, but you don't even have to use these example prompts. If you want to use an extension, let's say you want to find YouTube videos, so click on New Chat, and let's say you want to find videos on how to make money with AI. So as you can see, I don't even have to mention that I want to use the Google Bard extensions. Google Bard is clever enough to know that if you use a prompt like this, it has to use the YouTube Google Bard extension to be able to give you some YouTube video ideas. Once you edit your prompt, just click on Submit. And as you can see here, Google Bard has found me 5 videos on how to make money with AI using this YouTube extension. And as you can see, you can watch the videos inside Google Bard chat, so you don't even have to leave Google Bard to be able to watch these videos. So all in all, this is how to use Google Bard extensions. If you want to learn more about some other better use cases, I have a ton of YouTube video tutorials on my YouTube channel on Google Bard extensions, like how to upload a PDF and summarize with Google Bard extensions and stuff like that. And I also have a ton of other AI tutorials on ChatGPT and other AI tools, so make sure to subscribe.